OnePlus has just launched the OnePlus 12 in China, celebrating their 10th anniversary with a bang. This new model is a tech marvel, boasting the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, up to 24 gigabytes of RAM, and a massive 1 TB of storage. They brought back wireless charging, a much-missed feature from the OnePlus 11, and added IP65 dust and water resistance. The OnePlus 12 sports a dazzling 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display, reaching a peak brightness of 4,500 nits for HDR content. The display, made by Bo, also features 20,160 Hz PWM dimming and excellent blue light filtering. At the back, the Hasselblad-branded camera setup features a 50MP main camera with Sony's advanced sensor, a 64MP telephoto lens, and a 48MP ultra-wide camera. It runs on ColorOS 4.0 based on Android 14 in China, and we're expecting Oxygen OS 14 for the international version. The OnePlus 12 is powered by a 5,400 mAh battery, supports up to 50W wireless charging, and boasts the latest Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 standards. It's available in black, emerald green, and white, with prices starting at CNY $4,299, $670 in China. Pre-orders are open, with sales starting on December 11. However, the global launch might be delayed until January 2024. Stay tuned for the official date, and thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next one.